Welcome to Thursday Train. Today I'm going to be a continuation of the piece I started on Tuesday, so let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to go for a plan 2, and the plan 2 is going to be basically I'm taking the same idea I was going to do before. I was going to do a transfer swipe, or not a transfer swipe, but a transfer print off the jelly to the plate itself, and it's not working out for me today, so I'm going to go to plan B. Plan B is to simply paint what I want down. It won't be as detailed, but it will be close enough. I am recording. Well, that's not what I call a good copy, but we'll see if I can fill it in. what this is basically gel gloss that I put over the top of it to give myself something clear to use as a transfer. Normally you would let that dry a lot more, but with the air conditioning running in here, we're looking at it drying much faster. Okay, what you see here is survival technique. I decided after all the effort I put in to try to do the transfer swipe, or not the transfer image, onto my gel paint, that indeed I can accomplish the same thing by just running it through my printer to get the outline of what I wanted. So honestly, both of them are nice. This is the original. If you saw me on Tuesday, you know that this was the second poll I did, and I said I would do something with. I got it done, and it's kind of dark. It's kind of broody. I kind of like it a lot. In an effort to do another and maybe make it work, I did a gold, bronze, and copper, and to try to pull off a drawing I did, and it didn't work, and so I said, well, why waste it? Let's take a look and see if we can do the same thing. So that's my two pieces for today, and I hope that this maybe worked, and I think I could frame these, quite frankly, and they would work really nicely here in the RV. So we'll see where I can find them. There's not a lot of wall space. So I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I'm going to take you down to the slow and easy, and then we'll do the outro. So here we go. Down in the comments, let me know which one you like best. Number 1, or number 2. It'd be really interesting to hear what you have to say. This has been Thursday Train with Justin East, and art by Shelee E. Up next is going to be Justin East. So stick around, let's see what they come up with.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.